Hello everyone, this is Umran Niyaz from Niyaz TechGeek YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm talking about clear all cache from Windows 10, 11 or any other Windows. So I'm just not talking about that, and let's take your computer and we will do it together. So please watch the whole video, and after doing this your computer performance will be much better than earlier. So let's get started. We have four different processes, but only the three one is like the same, but the fourth one is a little bit different. So let's get started. We need to press Windows key plus R together. This window will appear. The run window will appear like this. So here we need to type prefetch, Prefetch, and hit enter or click on OK. So here we need to give it permission, continue, and this window will appear for us. So friends, here we need to delete all these files. These files are created by the Windows, the system, so we did not created these files ourselves. So we need to delete all these files, and it is fine to delete all these files. So press Ctrl and plus A together, and then Shift plus delete. Why Shift? Because we want to delete it permanently. And look here, I have like 467 items, so hit enter. That's it. If you see still there is file or it's not deleting, that's fine, leave it like that. Okay, that's it. So let's go for the second process. The same, Windows and plus R together. Again, this run window will appear like this. So here we need to type temp, T-E-M-P, and hit enter. So again it needs the permission. Again hit enter or just click on continue. Here also the same, we need to delete all these files. Control plus A, and again Shift and delete. Hit enter. That's it. And here is some files. Maybe it's not deleting, or that's fine. Just do this for all current items and escape. That's it. So next is the same like Windows plus R, and again this run window will appear like this. So next time we need to type %temp and again percentage. Hit enter. So here we have lots of files. Again we need to click on one of these folders and Ctrl plus A, and again Shift delete. I told you the three first process are similar, or those are the same, just deleting the files from those folders, and the last one will be a little bit different. So hit enter, and again it will ask for permission, or yeah, I told you before there are maybe some files that they are using in the background, and yeah, that's fine, just click on escape. Okay, let's go for next and the last process, and this is the same window plus R. The run window will appear for us, and we need to type cleanmgr. Hit enter, and this window will appear for this cleanup for C, because always take C, because Mostly the Windows will be when installed on Windows C. So we need to tick mark all of these. After that, we need to click on Clean App System File. So it's cleaning our cache or junk files from our system. After this, your system will be very faster than previous. So guys, if not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and like my channel. So that's it. Yeah, again I click this and click on OK. Delete files. Here have a look on this message. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. So let it to clean all the unused files from your system. After this, as I told you, your system will be very faster than previous. So friends, this was my today's video about clear all cache from Windows 10, 11 or any other Windows. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.